Today we're making chocolate cherry blossoms. This is a 1-bowl recipe, and all you need is some pantry ingredients, some maraschino cherries, and some chocolate candies. Let's go ahead and mix up our dough and get these in the oven. So we're going to use a large bowl, and we're adding 1 cup of butter that's very, very soft. We're not going to use any special equipment. We're just going to mash this butter with 1 cup of powdered sugar. So the butter needs to be very soft, and this time of year my kitchen is so cold. I stuck both of these sticks of butter in the oven for just about 2 minutes while it's preheating, but we're not going to melt the butter. Mash that powdered sugar in with the butter. Now we're adding 2 teaspoons of maraschino cherry liquid. So I drained about 15 or 16 cherries that we're going to cut up to put in our batter. And we're adding 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Almond and cherries go together like peas and carrots. You can substitute vanilla extract, and that will accentuate the flavor of the chocolate. The liquid from the maraschino cherries is going to give us a pale pink color. You could add 3 or 4 drops of red food coloring if you want to make these a little bit brighter pink. And I've combined 2½ cups of all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of maraschino cherries that were drained and chopped. And we just blend this together. So I'm going to just pick this up and squeeze this dough together until all that flour is incorporated. So you see this consistency, it just squeezes right through your fingers. So just a tiny bit of dough, a 1-inch ball, and then I just sort of mash it like so. And I normally get 48 to 50 cookies out of this. I found this extra step really makes a difference, mashing it between your palms until the ball turns into a disc. Place these 2 inches apart on your baking sheets. I've lined mine with parchment, and these are going into a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the bottom is like golden brown. Our first batch came out of the oven in 12 minutes, and they're just very lightly golden on the bottom. So what we're going to do is immediately take our chocolate and press that in there while they're still on the cookie sheet. And you see the cookie will start getting just a couple of cracks around the edge.